Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Learn to Earn Minds. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. We'll dive into the wonderful world of Canva and show you how to turn your text into eye-catching images. Whether for social media posts, blog graphics, or fun, creating text-to-image in Canva is a breeze. So, let's get started.
First, let's navigate to Canva and click on Apps. Upon doing so, an option will appear, Turn your text into photorealistic AI images. Click on it, and the page will open, presenting two choices, Use Existing Design and Use New Design. Opt for Use New Design. Within this section, you'll find several options like YouTube, Facebook Post, Landscape, and Facebook Cover. However, click on Custom Design. Choose the size for your image. You can select any size as your requirements, but I select 1000/1000. Flying, and then click Generate. After a brief processing period, the page will load. Here, input your prompt. For instance, I'll type, Beauty Unicorn Flying, and then click Generate. After a moment, the page will showcase two generated images. Witness the high quality of these images. To illustrate with another prompt, let's type, a dog wearing a hat, and hit Generate. Two additional images will be created, demonstrating the consistently impressive quality. I provided another example to showcase its capabilities. There you have it, a quick and easy way to transform text into stunning images using Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Until next time.